Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair review. So today's hair review is brought to you guys by Divaswigs.com. So this unit, as you guys can see right here, is a nice T-part unit. So it does have a nice little middle part section right here. It does have like a little bit of lace around the perimeter. I like that they give a good amount of lace right where the parting space starts. Now this does come with its own adjustable strap, as you guys can see. A few combs in it as well too. So I did not adjust the straps, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and plop this on my head. You guys will see the color once it's on my head, guys. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Now with this thing, with this unit, guys, I did go ahead and pop some powder on my stocking cap, and I also did some powder underneath the cap of the actual wig. So now it actually looks really realistic. I wish I would have went in and just bleached right here, but because it is a T-part, you're not really getting that much pullback hair right here, so I didn't feel like it was that necessary. I did go ahead and wash the wig, guys, and I did go ahead and use some purple shampoo on it just to tint it, just to kind of like ash tone it out a little bit. So right here in the front, you'll see it kind of looks like a little bit purple, but once I put the curler through it again, it'll probably kind of fade out the color, but either or, it still looks really cute, guys. So this unit is bomb. I did go ahead and, like I said, I washed it. I did go ahead and just set the front by using my hot comb, but I'm gonna actually style it on camera for you guys so you guys will see the full style and all that kind of stuff. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and cut the lace off of the unit, and I just want to point out that the unit fits my head to the T. The ear tabs actually land perfect, and I just want to point out that this wig is so freaking pretty just for a T-part style without all that extra stuff. This unit is very nice, guys. Like, the color is just so pretty, and like I said, even though I did like leave the purple shampoo on a little bit too long on the blonde spots in the front, I still think that little kind of smoky gray look definitely goes with the blonde. So I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be Glue High Insta Hold per usual, guys, and I do have some perimeter right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the whole perimeter and the front area down. I'm gonna tie with my headscarf, and then we're gonna do some curls, but I'm gonna fast forward that part because you guys already know the deal. I'm telling you what I'm using, you're gonna see it. So we're gonna just jump right into it. I'm gonna actually put some curls in here and make it buffer, and then I'll come back and show you guys the ending result. I'm so excited.
Baby.
guys, so this is the finished look of this bomb unit right here. So I'm gonna have to give it to Divaswigs.com for this one. Now I was a little skeptical in the beginning about this one just because it was just the T part, so there wasn't really that much to do for the hair video, but I want to just say that the texture on this hair is so pretty. Now when it comes to like these highlighted units, I always expect it to be like this silky straight texture. So this one definitely has like a little bit of a kink to it. It has like a little bit of a lust, a little bit of a texture to it. So I really think that for the color and the style that, oh my god, the texture is just everything for this unit. Now the color job that they did on this unit is really nice. Obviously I did tell you guys I went ahead and left the purple shampoo in too long in the front here, so you can see it's kind of like a little bit of like a purple shampoo look, but I still think it came out nice. I am going to go ahead after this video, obviously, and cut layers into the front just to really set this off nicely, because you guys can see the balance of like the Farrah Fawcett style curls that I was going for. So this is definitely an affordable glam type of look, guys. I did go ahead and glue it down. I didn't even do baby hairs or anything like that because I really feel like that's unnecessary. So for me, I would just wear with like the pull back lace up like that. No baby hairs or anything like that. I feel like the hairline looks really, really nice, guys. Very natural. They added like a little bit of lace just to give you that natural look, so I really appreciate that with the T part. But baby, color is on point on this unit. They did a really, really, really good job. And like I said, the hair has just an amazing, like, look at that. Amazing luster. The base color on this unit, guys, is like a chocolate color, like a ash chocolate color or whatever, ash brown color. So I think that the color combination that they did on this unit came out really well. Shout out to you guys. I'll leave all the links down below per usual, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Divaswigs.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.